we are going to discuss how to alter the company, select the company, shut the company and delete the company. Previous session we was discuss how to create the company, but now we are going to discuss how to shut company. Shut company in the sense shutting down the company from present the selected list. Now here in the list of selected companies displayed Satyam Education and SSSS, that is two company are in the list. Out of it the Satyam Education is in bold, that indicate the present Satyam Education company is in active and that is available you to enter the transaction. But now I would like to shutting down the company SSSS. Just get into select the select company option, or just you have to click over the shut company option. When you click over it, that display the list of companies, that is Satyam Education and SSSS. Here in this I would like to shutting down SSSS. Just click over onto the company name SSS from the list of companies. Then press the enter key. When you press an enter key, the SSS company is shutting down. See, in the list of selected companies that display Satyam Education only. Like this we are going to shutting down the company. Then again next one is select a company. That means if you would like to work into the company, you need to be get into select from the tally package. So just you have to click on select company option. Here in the select company option, if you click over it, that display the list of companies. Here in this, just you have to get into select the company in which you are going to be operate or doing the transaction. Now here in this I will select the company SSDS. Select it and press the enter key. When you press up an enter key, the company will be getting to appear in the list of selected companies list. See, SSDS and Satyam Education, now both are selected companies. These two companies are available you to operate just clicking onto the particular company name, and that is get into highlighted and available you to doing the transaction. Then another option is the alter option. The alter option is available you to making the necessary changes into the particular company information. Now I would like to change certain changes into the Satyam Education. How to do that? Just go for the gateway of tally. In the company info, click on alter option. Click on alter option. When you click on alter option, that display list of companies. Now select the company in which you are going to alteration of the fields. Now I will select Satyam Education and press the enter key. See, the company alteration screen get into displays. Here in this you have to do the necessary changes. Already I have filled all the details concerning it for creating a company. Now I would like to do certain changes. How to do that? Just you have to press the enter key, do the change. Now here I will enter Karnataka. Karnataka. Just I made little change, name of the state, and click on yes option from accept dialog box. Now press the escape key. Now it was get into altered. If you would like to know it, just again click on to the alter and press the enter key. Satyam Education. See, the Karnataka is get into appeared. That is the changes made into the Satyam Education. So like this the company alteration is available. Then again delete the company. Here there is no any option is available in the company info. Here for deleting the company, the step we are going to be applied just the simple way. you need to be go on to the alter option mode. Just I would like to get into delete SSDS. For that, click on alter option, select SSDS, press the enter key. Now SSDS company alteration screen get into displayed. Here in this simple way, just apply the shortcut, that is press Alt plus D option from the keyboard. When you press Alt D from the keyboard, the delete dialog box will get into display. That will ask yes or no option. If you click on yes option, the company will be get into removed from the tally package. Now I have clicked on to the yes option. The confirmation dialog box get into appear. That is, are you sure? If you click again yes option, the company SSDS will get into removed from your tally package. Just I will click on yes option. See, now on to the list of companies that are displayed Satyam Education only. SSDS left out, that is completely removed from tally package. So like this, it is available you to delete the company, that is SSDS get into deleted. See, in the list of companies, if you click on to the select company option, SSDS is not present. That means the SSDS company get into deleted from our tally package using the delete option. So these common step we are going to apply for selecting the company, shut down the company, alteration of a company, and delete the company. I think you have better understand. So remain, I have to discuss at next class. Thank you.